Welcome, Ford Tractor fans. Today we're going to use our Dearborn jack 1940 technologies to raise up the tractor and take the wheels off and change out the wheels. First we slide this under like so and hook it up to your 3-point lower arms like this. Then we'll start the tractor. You want to make sure your PTO is engaged, and you want to make sure you have a PTO cover. If you have an older tractor like this, what the pump controls the PTO. So when the PTO is, the lift arms are on, so is the PTO. So you want to make sure you got a cover on that. You don't want to tangle up your pants in there and get all ripped up or anything. So we're going to start the tractor now. Might help to turn the gas on. You want to keep it just about idle. You want to pick these arms up about like this, and then raise it up a little bit until it comes in contact with it. Now what you want to do is, this is to the front, to raise, you could either use it to raise just the rear, or you can raise the front too, to raise all 4 wheels off the ground. Chain pretty tight, and there's a peg here. We hook it on. Once that's all hooked up, what you can do is raise your 3-point up, and you'll see that everything is off the ground. Tires are spinning. Okay, so you don't want to take it off when it's this high up. What you want to do is come in contact with the ground, so that when you take it off, you don't have pressure on the studs, and you wind up ripping and mangling the studs all up. So what you want to do, you want to lower it so that it comes down and just about touches. Just about touches. Then you want to shut your tractor off. That's a little higher up than I'd like, so I'm going to lower it down a little bit more. That's just about on the ground. Keep your 3-point lever back up again. See, that's just about on the ground. So I took the liberty of loosening up a couple bolts, to save time on the video, make the video a little shorter. So you want to take your lug nuts off, like so. And if you're, this is loose, but you can, I had it off last year, so you can take this and whack it a couple times, and that'll help loosen it up. If not, you could take a board like this and use a bigger mallet to try to get it off. But this one's off pretty easy. All right, we're gonna take this one. We're putting these turf tires on because I'm gonna use this this tractor to tow a 6-foot mower to mow my lawn. So we're gonna come up here and see how close we are. We're pretty close. It looks like maybe we can get it on, or might have to come a little down. So might have to come down a little bit with this. So what we're going to do is just use this to steady it, and then we're going to come down a hair. Hang on, coming. Okay. You want to come back up on that. Yeah. Now you'll see this is off a little bit. So what I do is take this big bar and just move it over, or you could move the hub over too. Still needs to come down a hair. So, now, because of the lugs on the other tire, the other one sat a lot higher up. So we're going to have to take it down a little bit more. Now, I'll just set it with 2 bolts. So basically, if you come down too much, what you can do is make sure your lever quadrant is all the way up, and then without turning the key on, the ignition on, because you don't want it to start, you can look on here, you'd be able to lift it up a little bit by just pressing the starter button to the desired height you need. Well, that's about all for today. We'll get the other tire on. There's no sense in you hanging around for that. But that's about it. Thanks for watching.